I was standing in a field. No one else was there. The moon was out, and I was scared. I couldn't see you, but I knew that you were there. You weren't protecting me. There was no danger anywhere. I knew that warmth, and it was killing me. And as the stars fell, I couldn't see. And in this dark void, dark is all that there could be, except for that familiar smile and a 3D printed E. I can feel you all around me, as ethereal as it can be. And if I make it back to you, can we watch TV? And then you left without a trace. Then you seemed to wear a solemn face. You told me not to worry myself, just keep your picture on my shelf. I could feel the universe as it turned inside out, as you left me all alone. I could do nothing but shout. Sky went black and then went blue. Just like that, there was no doubt. And just like that, I knew what all this was about.